Gotta hate when this happens. Click no start. I asked the shop, check it out. They told me I needed a starter, of course, right? So I dug into it myself, checked the batteries, and took all the cables off and all the connections, and this is what I found. Just corrosion and rust everywhere. Cleaned everything up, cleaned the terminals, the connectors, and everything. While I was doing all this, I thought it was a good idea to add a thumb switch under the hood there for diagnosing, checking all the power to the starter. Even it can be useful when you're doing your overhead or adjusting your clutch and things like that. This is how I wired mine. This is 39MP starter. I put one end of the wire right here on top on the signal wire, which comes from the ignition key. But if your starter doesn't have the small cylinder on top, then the wire should go here on this terminal to make sure. And the other side of the wire from the switch, I put it on this terminal here, which is the back of the solenoid, the big stud, red positive cable. Here I'm testing the starter. I'm just touching the signal wire on top, the helper solenoid right on top there. It does come out. It does not spin because I had a weak battery just laying around. I just wanted to try it to make sure it works. Here's the finished product. There's a switch. Now if you crank now, it won't work because you gotta have the key on. You gotta turn the ignition on in order to work. There you go. This can be useful when you're adjusting your clutch, doing an overhead, and so on.